Technical analysis uses charts and historical data to identify patterns and predict future price movements. Day trading involves buying and selling stocks within a single day, aiming to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. Swing trading holds stocks for a few days or weeks, profiting from short-term trends. Value investing focuses on buying undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals, seeking long-term growth. Growth investing targets companies with high growth potential, anticipating future earnings expansion. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. Compounding refers to the reinvestment of earnings, generating exponential growth over time. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money, impacting investment returns. Interest rates influence borrowing costs and investment returns, affecting market sentiment. Economic indicators provide insights into the overall health of the economy, influencing stock market performance.